Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking on a really interesting topic of self-talk. Previously, I used to think that if you admitted that you have voices in your head, you were labeled crazy. Now it's widely recognized that we all have voices in our head that plays many different characters at many different times. This voices is responsible for what is known in psychology as self-talk. Let's take a deeper look at this inner dialogue, positive, negative self talk, and how to change this negative self talk into a positive self talk. I might make a negative self talk to positive self talk video different, or I might try to fit in this. So stay till the end. So, now what exactly is self talk? Self talk is your inner voice that responds to everything you do with automatic thoughts and commentary. This voice is programmed by our subconscious minds and beliefs that we have about ourselves, the way the world works, the way we are supposed to do things, etc. We all have a constant stream of thoughts about everything, from the day's weather to how we felt when someone said something 3 years ago. So, self talk is specifically the character in your head whose role is to tell you how it thinks you measure up in every moment. Now, self talk can be both positive and negative. Unfortunately, many of us, the negative self talk outweighs the positive. This negative thought pattern can lead to distressed mental well being, intrusive thoughts, and low self esteem. These negative effects are why it's so important to learn to change negative self talk. Let's take a closer look at two types of self talk, for example, negative and positive self talk. When talking about positive self talk is encouraging and positive feedback provided by our inner voice. This voice notices when good things happen, offers words of encouragement, reminds you to focus on the present moment, points out silver linings, etc. I have many words for this. This type of self talk sounds like, yeah, I'm proud of you. Wow, what a great try. So we can say positive self talk focuses on the good things that had happened and has positive things to say in response, even in stressful situations or objectively negative experiences. You may be now thinking, when do I have those thoughts like that? The answer is probably not very often. Even though many of us are excellent at seeing the best in other people, and we truly mean the nice things we say to loved ones, even they are feeling down, we tend to be our own worst critics. Oftentimes, our subconscious minds are programmed with a very critical voice, and our positive self talk is pushed aside, literally forgotten. However, positive self-talk plays a huge role in maintaining a positive outlook, a good mental health, your confidence. Let's take some positive self-talk examples. For example, in your mind, it's going like you're looking in the mirror, and in your mind, it's going like, I look good, fit, healthy, put together, or I'm proud of myself for trying at least. Or maybe I have people who love me for who I am. Everyone is going to be impressed, thankful, happy about this thing I'm doing. So, this is what positive self talk looks like. On the other hand, negative self talk comes from the inner critic of your mind, the villain of your life. This voice tends to harp on negative things when you make mistakes, the worst case scenarios, anxious thoughts, critical thoughts, etc. Negative self talk can be negative statements that can specifically about you. Negative self talk examples like include, you are so stupid. Like, why did you do that? You will never be able to do this, etc. etc. Before we become aware of it, most of us don't realize how much negative self talk dominates positive self talk in our daily lives. When you start ignoring that negative self talk, it becomes extremely loud, overpowering, and constant. You have likely gotten used to this negative chatter that is judgmental perspective feels like reality to you. So basically, negative self talk is a reflection of all the unrealistic expectations, your traumas, your relationships, opinions of others. societal boxes, and contradictory information, like whatever you have endured in your lifetime. When we talk about negative self talk example, for example, now when you look in the mirror, you are suddenly like, oh, I look ugly, or fat, or stupid, or gross. No one cares what I do, or no one likes me, and etc. etc. There are many more negative thoughts that are going through our mind right now, even as well. But again, the question arises, why do we even have that negative self talk? Negative self talk is kind of a survival mechanism we develop to ensure to fit in the group or the society we are living in. Everybody experiences this negative self talk, and it's completely normal to discover that you have more negative self talk than you expected. The adaptation of the human brain to try to fit in, no matter what exactly, why our self talk can be so harsh. It's trying to remember everything that everyone ever wanted us to be and bullying us to becoming that. The good news is, over time, you can rewire your brain and change your inner voice to become more positive, optimistic, and mentally healthy person. So I think we'll continue how to change your negative self-talk to positive self-talk in my next video. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll pin it somewhere up here. So make sure that you watch how to actually overcome that situation. So hope you liked this video. Hope you got much more information about our self-talk. If you like this video, do leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye-bye.